Good evening, dear students. Now, let us discuss question number 41 to 50 in the chapter Odd Man Out. Here, three question figures will be similar in nature. One will be different. We are going to identify the different one. In question number 81, when you observe y, letter y is taken, you observe the angle between the small lines. When you observe the angle in A, B, D, it is wider. But when you observe C, it is narrow. So the odd one is option C. The reason is the angle between the small lines is small or it is narrow. Next question. Question number 42. Observe the question number 42. Circle is cut into two parts and the cut out part is kept near the big part only here. See, when you place it, it will form a circle. When you place this one here, it will form a circle. But in C, see, it is semicircle. The other part should have been a semicircle, but it is a small part. If you place it, it is only incomplete. Circle is incomplete. Here, if you place it, again the circle will be completed. Based on this, you can choose C as the odd one. The reason is, when you join the two parts, the circle will be incomplete. Come to question number 43. See, in question number 43, you can observe outer and inner shapes are same in A, squares, and their corners have been joined with the small lines. In B, triangle and triangle, corners have been joined. In C, pentagon and pentagon, corners have been vertices of those pentagons have been joined. In D, circle and circle, they don't have the vertices and there are no common joining points. So D is the odd one. The reason is vertices of the shapes have not been joined. Question number 44. Observe question number 44. Semicircle divided into two parts. In B it is 4 parts. In C it is 4 parts. In D also it is 4 parts. Based on number of parts, irrespective of their sizes, option A is the odd one because only 2 parts are there. Question number 45. Outer triangle, inner also triangle. Outer rectangle, inner rectangle. Outer diamond, inner triangle. Outer pentagon, inner pentagon. When you observe in C, instead of a diamond shape, triangle is there. So C is the odd one because shapes are different. Question number 46. Observe. Plus. One small plus, one big plus. Again, one circle, small circle. One triangle, small triangle, one big triangle. One small semicircle and one big elliptical shape is there. See, which one do you think as the answer? You may think that all these are in ascending orders, but B is in descending order. But that is not the reason, because when a semicircle is taken, the bigger part also should be semicircle like this. But it is totally a different one. A U shape is there. So D is the odd one because reason is shapes are different. Come to question number 47. In question number 47, A, you observe pentagon, inside 5 small rectangles are there. Rectangle, 4 sides, 4 small rectangles. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 small rectangles. In D, hexagon, inside hexagon 5 small rectangles are. When you observe blindly, you may think that in B the rectangles are not shaded in the inside and you may choose B, but that is wrong answer because
D.
which is the odd one here? D, because lines and number of rectangles are not equal, unequal. That's why D is the odd one. Come to question number 48. In 48, you observe in A there is a small circle. In B also there is a small circle in the middle. In C also there is a small circle in the center. But when you observe on D, there is no small small circle there. 48, D is the odd one. The reason is totally 3 circles should be there, only 2 are there. Middle circle is missing. That is the reason. Now, you observe this, you take circle has a head and this line has a tail. So, head and tail means it is moving like this. It's a clockwise rotation. In B, it is anti-clockwise rotation. In C, clockwise rotation. In D also it is clockwise rotation. In all 3 figures, it is clockwise rotation, but in B, it is anti-clockwise rotation. The odd one is B. Observe question number 50. Circle is divided into 2 parts. One is big and one is small. In B, vertical line divided circle into 2 equal parts. Slant line divided circle into 2 equal parts. Here also slant line divided circle into 2 equal parts. In A, slant line divided one big part and one small part. Unequal parts. Question number 50, A is the odd one.